Welcome to Aliyah Transient House located at Atimonan, Quezon along Maharlika Highway. Aliyah Transient House is a business registered in Atimonan, Quezon. We are 6 minutes away from the town of Atimonan. Easy access with all public transportation. So what are you waiting for?
Room 1 studio type with Roofdeck mountain view. Without cooking facility. 1,000 pesos per night. For 2 persons, 400 each extra box. Up to 4 people can stay. We have 3 units available with all air-conditioned rooms and free drinking water during your stay. Free and limited Wi-Fi, Netflix, and YouTube. Complete bedlinens and pillows set up including for extra persons. Room 2 with cooking facility. 1,200 pesos per night for 2 persons, 400 each extra box up to 4 people can stay.
Yung room 2 pala natin ay interconnecting room niya ay ang ating room 3. So for big family, kapag kakulang sa inyo yung room 3 natin, pwede nating open tong door para ma-access nyo rin tong room 2. So tigisa kayo ng toilet, tigisa rin kayo ng cooking area. Tigisa rin kayo ng access palabas. Ito po yung room 2 namin with cooking facility. Meron na siyang Wi-Fi, Netflix, unlimited Wi-Fi and limited Netflix. With queen size bed, coffee table, with iron facilities, kettle, syempre meron na rin kayong table, with air condition, and then extra bed for extra person. This is family size.
Room 3 front house with attic and terrace, known as family room, bigger unit that we have, with cooking facility. 2,200 pesos per night for 4 persons, 400 each extra box up to 15 people can stay.
Ito na yung pinakang sala niya. Tapos ito po yung kusina niya with total air condition. Tapos ito po yung double bed niya. So dito po sa baba, meron tayong 1 double bed at saka 1 queen size bed.
For booking, you can send me a message here, or you can also call me at any time.
Ito po yung kusina niya. Ito po yung sa CR niya. At ito po yung attic natin na pwede sa extra packs. Ito po ang exact location ng Aliyah Transient House. Yung nasa taas po ang pinaka-ating room 1. Yung nasa baba naman po ng taas, ground floor ang ating room 2. At itong front house ang ating room 3. Ito po yung daan niya, palabas, papunta sa National Road. At ito po yung puntang zigzag. Dito naman po yung papuntang bayan ng Atimonan. Bayan ng Atimonan, Iglesia ni Cristo, papuntang zigzag. Ang Aliyah Transient House po ay papasok dito na konti at nakakatapat ng Iglesia ni Cristo, gilid na maliit na gasoline station.